Number 1. Win key plus L. Function is to lock the screen. Number 2. Win key plus M. Function is minimize all windows. Number 3. Win key plus X. Function is open quick link menu. Number 4. Win key plus D. Function is display and hide the screen. Number 5. Win key plus C. Function is open Cortana search bar. Number 6. Win key plus A. Function is open the Action Center. Number 7. Win key plus E. Function is open the File Explorer. Number 8. Win key plus H. Function is open the Share Charm, speech recognition or voice controller. Number 9. Win key plus I. Function is open settings. Number 10. Win key plus R. Function is open run dialog box. Number 11. Win key plus U. Function is open ease of access center. Number 12. Win key plus S. Function is open search bar. Number 13. Win key plus K. Function is open the Connect quick action. Number 14. Win key plus X. Function is open quick link menu. Number 15. And press only Win key. Function is open or close start menu.